Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back. I hope you all would be doing well. Sar Shai joins you once again for the second lecture of English literature. Last week we started unit number 1, and after formal introduction of course book, we read a paragraph. I'm sure that you all would have taken notes of this unit from school. Dear students, in the previous lecture, we read definition of tolerance, and there came some difficult words in the first paragraph. We read that Holy Prophet ﷺ is an epitome of tolerance, patience, compassion, and forgiveness. Now, the word epitome was in the first paragraph, which means a standard, typical, or a perfect example of something. Compassion, meaning of compassion is given over here. Now we are heading towards the next paragraph. Each paragraph coming ahead carrying an event from the life of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and would tell you all about his tolerance, forgiveness, patience, and compassion. This is page number 2, second paragraph. Dear students, you have to be very careful while translating the English words into Urdu, because translation will be a part of your paper this time. While preaching Islam in Makkah, preaching means ashat ya tabligh karna, the Quraysh ostracized him and his family Banu Hashim. Ostracized mean expelled from a community or group. Its verb and Urdu meaning is jila watan kar dena, watan se nikal diya. Ostracized उन्हें कुरैश ostracized him, वतन से निकाल दिया, जिला वतन कर दिया उन्हें और उनके ख़ानदान बनु हाशिम को. They live in a valley called Sheba Abi Talib. Sheba Abi Talib was the valley which was close to Makkah. There was scarcity of food and water. Scarcity means shortage. कमी थी, किल्लत थी खुराक और पानी की. It's a noun. It means a small and inadequate amount of something. The believers had no means of income. Believers are those who are having faith in Almighty Allah, or Muslims ईमान वाले. Had no means of income means कोई ज़राए नहीं थे, आमदन के कोई ज़राए नहीं थे उनके पास. And they were leading a very tough life for a period of 3 years. Tough life, सख्त ज़िंदगी गुजार रहे थे. यह सख्त ज़िंदगी उन्होंने गुजारी 3 साल के अरसे तक. During this situation, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained calm and tolerant. Tolerant, calm पुरसकून और साबिर, सब्र करने वाले रहे. and never thought about taking any sort of revenge. Sort किसी भी किस्म का revenge, इंतकाम या बदला लेने के बारे में नहीं सोचा. Thought is a second form of think. Revenge mean इंतकाम लेना, an action taken in return for an injury or offense. Dear students, Sheba Abi Talib is one of the most significant events in the history of Islam. It was 7th BH when Islam was greatly spreading. The people of Quraysh and people of Makkah decided to outcast Banu Hashim by placing them under social boycott. They decided not to marry their daughters nor conduct business with them until they handed over Holy Prophet ﷺ to them, because he was preaching the message of Allah. Muslims were forced to live in a valley called Sheba Abi Talib. The boycott was for 3 years and they were devastating. There was shortage of food and water there. But despite such grim circumstances, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ never ceased preaching the message of Allah to the people over there. Then Holy Prophet ﷺ got the revelation through angel Jibrail that the parchment regarding the boycott had been eaten by the white ants. Then by the grace of Almighty Allah, the miserable period of Holy Prophet ﷺ and the people and the followers of Holy Prophet ﷺ finally ended, and eventually Holy Prophet ﷺ and his followers came back to Makkah. This event is indeed a greatest example of tolerance and patience, because all the followers of Holy Prophet and he himself remained tolerant for the toughest period of 3 years. Even after he had conquered Makkah, conquered is a verb which means fatah kar liya. Even after he had conquered Makkah fatah kar lene ke baad, the Holy Prophet ﷺ taught his followers. Taught is a second form of teach. Followers अपने साथियों को सिखाया to remain tolerant, कि वो साबिर रहें. After the conquest of Makkah, conquest is a noun, and conquered is verb. मक्का फतह करने के बाद the Muslim army entered मक्का humbly and peacefully. entered दाखिल हुए मक्का में humbly आजिज़ी या खाकसारी से, peacefully अमन से. humbly is an adverb as it ends with ly, so it means in a humble manner, आजिज़ी या खाकसारी से. peacefully is another adverb, अमन से. no house was robbed, किसी घर को नहीं लूटा गया. no man or woman was insulted, किसी मर्द या औरत की बेइज्जती नहीं की गई. Dear students, as you can see, there is no subject here, so such kind of sentences are called as passive voice because we don't have any subject, and we will be translating the sentence in a way. no house was robbed, किसी घर को नहीं लूटा गया. This is the passive voice of past indefinite tense. The Prophet ﷺ granted a general amnesty to the entire population of Makkah. General amnesty, आम माफ़ी, granted अता की. Holy Prophet ﷺ मोहम्मद ﷺ ने आम माफ़ी का ऐलान किया to the entire population of Makkah, मक्का के तमाम लोगों के लिए. अच्छा, conquered meaning is given over here. robbed meaning is also given, which was there in this paragraph. rob means it's a verb. It means take something away by force or without a consent of the owner. Amnesty is a free pardon, आम माफ़ी. It's noun. This word is noun. free pardon is आम माफ़ी का ऐलान किया entire population मक्का की पूरी आबादी के लिए. So dear students, it means that Holy Prophet ﷺ, when Muslims spread the message of Allah in the whole Arabia, they came back to Makkah, and despite the savage cruelties towards Muslim, qualities of people of Makkah towards Muslim in past, Holy Prophet ﷺ forgave all his enemies and also asked his followers to do the same.